Sitting on this. This is our setup right here, baby.
Sure, did we think?
What do you think? It's good, right? Good. I hear these guys running. How much pedal you got?
All of it. It gets a little hard in some spots. But
Go right.
I'm gonna go right past the first.
Oh yeah, take it for a lap around the front of the school.
Or around the circle.
The horn don't work though, right?
Don't lay into it until we get a tune.
Well, not even don't lay into it. I don't want to die. We didn't nut and bolt all the brakes and shit.
Yeah, I'm sure the steering's loose.
It's loose as a fucking goose.
Loose as a goose.
Did I get in?
No. No.
Should I do a burnout?
No.
Do a burnout.
Don't do a burnout.
If I laid into it, it'd probably just...
Not until we get a tune, please.
Give it a little.
Around, come back down. How do I get to this?
I got a class to teach.
So do I.
Me
I'm supposed
too.
to be in Castleton right now. You can feel that converter too.
I can smell. I think I'm smelling transmission. Second.
Give it some.
All right.
There's no second.
What do you mean?
What was that?
Uh-oh.
Did anybody
I don't
else
know.
hear that?
I heard it. I didn't see anything fall.
Yeah, turn around. You're going too far.
I fucking wanted to turn around.
Yeah, don't let it run out of gas.
We're gonna run out of gas.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Fuck.
Here, turn around Flamighetti's driveway.
Yeah,
He'll appreciate
good
that.
Call, good call. Yeah, why don't we have second?
I don't know. Are you in the right gear?
Do you have to
I don't
shift it? Well, you have to shift it? You're gonna pop it in a second?
That's neutral. This
So
should be,
one down is drive.
that should be drive. It's got bad body lean.
I'm smelling tranny. I'm smelling tranny. You smell it?
Do you have a tranny temp on there? Is there tranny temp on there?
No. I just got second.
You got
though.
second?
Yeah.
Maybe you weren't
Alright.
in second. Maybe you weren't in drive.
No, I was in drive.
Yeah. It might need more fluid.
It's probably low on fluid.
Probably
Yo.
low. If you're low on fluid, it won't shift.
Oh yeah, nobody checked it, right? And we're
No,
outside
Nino checked it.
Yeah, okay. He's not like this.
I'm smelling burnt transmission right now.
I'm sure this trans is fucked. We may have to bring it somewhere and beg and borrow and get them to build it.
Oh, your temperature's good. Everything looks good. You're charging. Your IAC.
What's my percent on my IAC right now?
24.
Yeah, I don't know if that's. Well, listen, let Darren.